How to register a charity or non-profit in Belgium. Registering a charity or non-profit organization in Belgium involves several key steps. Here's a concise guide to help you through the process. 1. Choose a legal structure. Decide on the appropriate legal structure for your organization, such as Association Sans but lucrative, ASBL, or Vereniging zonder Winstgmerk, VZW, suitable for non-profit organizations with a social or philanthropic purpose. Foundation, Stichting/foundation, ideal for organizations focused on long-term charitable projects or initiatives. 2. Draft statutes and articles of association. Prepare the statutes, bylaws, and articles of association outlining the organization's name, objectives, governance structure, membership criteria, and decision-making processes. 3. Register your organization for an ASBL/VZW. Register with the local commercial court, Tribunal de Commerce/Handelsrechtbank, in the jurisdiction where your organization will be based. You'll need to submit the statutes and articles of association, identification documents of the founders and board members, proof of payment of registration fees. For a stichting/foundation, register with the Ministry of Justice and publish the statutes in the Belgian Official Gazette. 4. Obtain necessary permits and approvals. Depending on your organization's activities, you may need permits or approvals from local authorities or government departments. 5. Ensure financial compliance. Open a bank account in the organization's name and establish financial management procedures to ensure transparency and accountability. Familiarize yourself with tax obligations for nonprofits in Belgium, including VAT exemptions and tax incentives for donors. By following these steps and ensuring compliance with Belgian laws and regulations, you can successfully register your charity or nonprofit organization in Belgium. Seek guidance from legal and financial advisors as needed to navigate the process effectively.